Welcome to One Fact Per Day. Today's fact: 2 grapes in a microwave will spit real plasma. Not sparks. Plasma, the fourth state of matter, the stuff stars and lightning are made of, flaring out of fruit bowl. A grape is basically a ball of water, and water squeezes microwaves. The oven's 12-centimeter wave shrinks to about 1 centimeter inside the fruit, which is almost exactly a grape's width. So the grape stops being food and becomes a resonant cavity, trapping the wave inside. Put 2 of them touching, and that trapped energy piles up in the gap between them, a hotspot fierce enough to rip electrons off the sodium and potassium in the skin. Physicists only nailed this down in 2019. 5 years of work and a stack of wrecked microwaves. Follow one fact like this every day. That's today's fact. Follow one fact per day for tomorrow's.